Conjunctions and connectors. Conjunctions grammatically join two clauses, independent or dependent, depending on the conjunction, so that it reads as one sentence. Connectors are used between two separate sentences. There are four types of conjunctions: coordinating, correlative, subordinating, and conjunctive adverbs. For example, I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes afterward. Sophie is clearly exhausted, yet she insists on dancing till dawn. Conjunctions allow you to form complex, elegant sentences and avoid the choppiness of multiple short sentences. It is important to be sure that the phrases joined by conjunctions share the same structure. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions allow you to join words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. The most common coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. For example, I'd like pizza or a salad for lunch. We needed a place to concentrate, so we packed up our things and went to the library. Jessie didn't have much money, but she got by. Notice the use of the comma when a coordinating conjunction is joining two independent clauses. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together. Some examples are either, or, neither, nor, and not only, but also. All of these clothes are either too small or worn out. Neither the blue one nor the red are available in size 4. My uncle is not only a doctor but also a pharmacist. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join independent and dependent clauses. A subordinating conjunction can signal a cause and effect relationship, a contrast, or some other kind of relationship between the clauses. Common subordinating conjunctions are because, since, as, although, though, while, and whereas. For example, I am here because of you. I am here since the past year. I am here as you requested. I am here even though you didn't want. Although you said no. I am here. I will be here while you want it. Whereas it is difficult, I will be here. List of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Examples. Correlative conjunctions, both and. Either or. Neither nor. Not only but. Whether or. Subordinating conjunctions. After, although, as if, as long as much as soon as though, because, before, by the time, even if, even though, if, in order that, in case, in the event that, lest, now that, once, only if, provided that, since, so, supposing, that, then, though, till, unless, until, when, whenever, where, whereas, wherever, whether or not, while.